Here now from the United States, 19-year-old Adam Rippon, the only man, as we said earlier, to win 2 World Junior titles. Did it in 2008 and 2009. Made a big change midway through last season, just before Nationals. He moved to Toronto, began training with Brian Orser, who, of course, also works with world champion and superstar Kim Yuna.
Triple flip, triple toe loop. He does not have a quad plan in this program. And right there, that was a very defining moment. Did you see that? Both hands over the head on the triple Lutz. We've never seen that before. That was spectacular. So hard to rotate like that.
Is that Brian Orser's influence?
Boitano did it with one hand over his head, but Rippon just did it with 2. I'm sorry, what did you say?
I asked you about Brian Orser, if that was his influence. Is he encouraging him to take those kinds of chances?
Yes, to really set himself apart from the rest of the field.
Wow. Adam Rippon said he wanted to step things up and perform more as a senior competitor than a junior, and he did that today.
He most certainly did, and he did something that has now put him in a new category with that, with both arms over his head on that Lutz. That was very effective because people in skating know how hard it is just to do it with your arms, you know, wrapped in close to your chest. But when you put the arms up like that, it's tough to generate rotation. But this triple flip, triple toe loop started things off quite well. He looked a little conservative here, but as the program went on, very smart on his point, it built. There was a crescendo and there was a lot of excitement throughout. Positions in the spin's good, and here's Orser taking a look. Oh yes, Brian, you've done it a few times yourself, but the triple axel, very solid. More work to be done in this program. And here it is, right here. I love this. The trip, watch the arms go up over the head. That's terribly hard to do without making a mistake. And those feet and legs being tight together, that helped keep the rotation. But one small mistake and he wouldn't be able to do that. and his positions on the spins quite good. Nice low sit spin right here with speed throughout. So for Adam Rippon, he really, you know, when you can do something different and set yourself apart, get everybody buzzing.
And do it well.
Yes.
The score now for Adam Rippon, wow, a 75.82. That is a personal best for Adam. He is currently in second place.
Nice job.
Yeah, he was good. Yeah, he was clean. Yeah.
Standing so far for the men's short program with 4 skaters remaining. Adam Rippon moves into second place with a very strong short program. David Peltier caught up with him.
I'm here with Adam Rippon, who just had a fantastic short program. Adam, tell me just from the get-go, is that the kind of statement you want to make early in the year?
You know, of course. I've been skating really well at home, and I have to thank my coach and choreographer, Brian Orser and David Wilson, for really helping me throughout the season, throughout the summer. And I've been skating like this at home, and I'm really happy that I could come here and skate like this in front of the French audience and in front of the judges to show them that I've improved over the summer and that I'm ready to skate with the top stars.
So what's the difference between Adam last year and Adam this year?
I think this year I knew what to expect, and I knew that the only thing I could focus on was how I was going to skate. And last year I was a little bit overwhelmed skating with some, you know, Brian Joubert and Johnny Weir and Jeremy Abbott. And this season I know that the only thing I can control is my own skating, and I think that's really helped me to practice better and to compete better.
You kind of have this signature move, a triple Lutz, with both arms above your shoulders. Tell me a little bit about that. Did that feel good to nail that tonight?
You know, it felt really good. It was something special that I've been working on for the season, and I was very happy I could go out and show it, and I think it's a little nice for my coach, Brian, to have a different triple Lutz, so he doesn't have to hear about Brian Boitano's triple Lutz every time I skate.
Thank you, Adam.
Sure, thank
Andrea.
you.